Hello, welcome students. I hope you people are doing well at home and taking care of yourself. Now, we are going to start the first chapter of your computer, that is number system. And you people know from mathematics what is number system, that is used to count anything, the numbers, and there are different number systems are there in mathematics. Also, we have Roman numbers and all, and from your first para it's written there long ago people have counted things using their fingers and toes. So about 25,000 years ago, so they started counting from finger. Still we are using that finger to count. Now you have heard about tally marking. So tally mark, with the tally mark we count, from mathematics and all. So directly we start with the number system. You should read above the all the paragraphs, all three paragraphs are there. So we are going to start the number system topic, which is written there. A number system is defined as a system of writing for expressing numbers. So number system is nothing but to express or show the numbers what we have counted. Suppose we have counted 3 or 4, so how to represent in written 4? So we have different number system to write 4 in decimal number, and then Roman number. Many number systems are there to write the numbers. It is a set of values used to represent different quantities. Quantities means number itself. For example, a number system can be used to represent the number of players in a team. So how many players are there? So 11 or 12. So we have to represent 11 or 12. How to write 1 or 2 or in Roman number. Okay. So like that, in digital computer represent all kinds of data and information such as audio, graphics, video, text and numbers in binary form. So the digital computer, that uses only a binary number, that is 0 and 1. So according to that, some important number systems are as follows. So we have number system in our computer. One is 4, that is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So one by one we will see that. Decimal number system is the most common number system. However, the computers use binary number system, the octal and hexadecimal number system. So why do we use these one? Like computer uses only binary one, and the decimal number is widely used. Decimal number system, it has 10 digits from 0 to 9, that is widely used. But computer uses only 2 digit, that is 0 and 1, that is binary number system. So in order to understand binary number system, octal or hexadecimal number system, first we have to get through the decimal number system, what we use normally. We know each and everything about decimal number system. So how we will go through it? We will compare other number system to decimal number system. Like how we learn anything, how we learn English. So we compare Hindi to English, we convert Hindi to English, right? So here decimal number system, we know, we are familiar with decimal number system. So first we see the decimal number system, then we compare binary, octal and hexadecimal in order to learn these number system. So let's see decimal number system. The decimal number system is the number system we use every day for simple counting. As we know, 0 1 2 3 4 5, we generally use it. The word deci means 10. Therefore, there are 10 numbers in the decimal number system. So we know that 0, 1, 2, 3 to up to 9. Okay. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. The base of decimal number system is 10 because it has only 10 digits. So the base means once we count the uh, place value, that is unit, tens, 100,000. So we are counting in number of power of 10 only. Okay, the base 10 to the power 0 1 2 3. Like in next page you can see that decimal number system is the most widely used number system, the value represented by individual digits. So as I told you that we know face value and place value of the numbers. Directly come to the example, like here it is written 2543, 2543. How to represent and how to see that in decimal number? So here it's written there 2 into 1000, there's a place value of 2, then plus 5 into 100, that is place value of 5, like this 4 and 3. It converted that 2 into 2 10 to the power 2. From 3 we will start the 3 into 1 to the power 0, then 4 into 1 0, that is 10, okay, to the power 1. So like this, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, right? Like this we will see that. Now like this only we will convert and we will count in all the number systems, like decimal is there, then binary, octal and hexa, we will count like this only. In the above example, 2, 5, 4 and 3 are the face values and their place values are thousands, okay, thousands, hundred, tens and units respectively, as I told you. That we already know, so that's very simple to understand, okay. So here what we missed, in second para you see that it's defined, the digit is the rightmost digit is called LSD, least significant digit, and the leftmost, it means 2, that is MSD, most significant digit. In simple language we can see that the lowest value and the highest value, most significant digit is the highest value of that digit, and then least significant digit is the lowest value of that digit. So here 2 is the MSD and 3 is the LSD, okay. So keep it in mind, MSD and LSD, it will work in conversion or later on in this chapter. Come to the binary system. The compiler, the computer does not have a large number of symbols for representing data. It has only two digits, 0 and 1, as I told you, where 0 stands for absence of electric pulse and 1 for the presence of an electric pulse. It means computer recognizes only the electronic pulse, that it is true or false, electronic pulse is there or not. So 0 symbolizes that electric pulse is absence, and 1 is 1 represents that electric pulse is there. These digits are called binary numbers. Each binary digit is also called a bit. So 0 and 1 are called binary digits, and 0 is called 1 bit, 1 is also called 1 bit, okay, and combination of 0 1 1 0, that's called bits, okay. So if up to 8 bits it will call bytes. You have already learned in previous classes the conversion, how many bits are bytes, how many bytes are kilobytes, like this. So it is started from bit only, 0 or 1, 0 called 1 bit, 1 called 1 bit. Let's see from the next page, it's written there, a combination of binary numbers may be used to represent different quantities like 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 1, it says that a number, but we can't understand what number it shows, but computer can understand. So in order to understand what 0 1 0 1 is equal to in decimal, or in what human can understand, we need to convert into decimal one. The binary number system is used in computers because it is easy to use a bit to represent voltage levels within the computer. So why do we use the binary number? Why computer uses that? It is easy to use for voltage level within the computer. The positional value of each digit in binary number is twice the place value or face value of the digit on its right side. It's simply written that how we have seen in decimal one, that unit, tens, hundred, thousand. So it was, you can see here, once written there, 1 to the power 0, then 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3. Like this in binary system we will see that 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, like this we will see that one, like here you can see. So the next topic is converting decimal number to binary system, in order to understand what's written there in binary. So here first few steps are there, you need to pay attention over there. To convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given rules. First one, divide the decimal number by 2, take the remainder and again divide the quotient by 2. It means the given number in decimal, so we are converting from decimal to binary, not binary to decimal, okay. Decimal number will be given and you need to find the equivalent binary digits. So what we have to do, the given number in decimal we need to divide by 2 until we will get the remainder as 0 or 1. Okay, repeat the step 2 until the quotient becomes 0. Write down the remainder, which is either 0 or 1, at each division stage. Once there are no more divisions, arrange the remainder values in reverse order so that the first remainder becomes the least significant digit, that is LSD, and the last remainder becomes the most significant digit, MSD. So from the example we will see all steps. Here 42 is given, so 42 was divided by 2 first and get the remainder 21 and quotient 0. So 0 was written over there because 21 into 2 is equal to 42. So 0 remainder, so 0 it's written there, it is least significant digit. Again 21 was divided by 2, remainder was 10 and quotient was 1. Sorry, quotient was 10 and remainder 1. So it's written over there. Again 10 divided by 5, 10 divided by 2 is 5, again remaining 0. So it is divided up to that 2 ones are 2. So now 1 can't be divided by 2 at last, so it is written just like that as MSD. So how to write in binary digit? So from MSD to LSD, it means from reverse order, from bottom to top. So it's written there, see this, 42 base 10 is equals to 101010 base 2. Base 2 means it's in binary, base 10 means it is in decimal. Okay, next one. The next example I'm going to explain again. 20 was divided by 2, okay, and got the 0 and 0 because it is totally divided. Then 10 also divided by 2, totally divided, got 0 up to this one. So the last one is there only, became most significant number, that is MSD, and the first one called LSD, again written from MSD to LSD, reverse order, from bottom to top, got 10100 here. Thus 20 base 10 10100 base 2. Base 10 means is in decimal, base 2 means it's in binary. Now we will practice this one, and the very next topic was converting, next topic is converting binary to decimal, the reverse one. Now what we are doing, we are converting decimal to binary, and in next topic we will convert binary to decimal. But first we have to convert and practice converting decimal number to binary one. So I will be giving homework for this one in your WhatsApp group. Let's see that one, and in next video we will see the converting and the binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic means how to add, subtract, multiply and divide binary numbers. Okay, so till then practice that, and be safe at home and study, give hours to study. Don't think that I have studied so I will leave the time. Put a time, make a timetable for studying and study on that timetable only. It will be beneficial for you. Thank you, have a nice day.